Now we'll discuss part 2. In part 2, for which value of k will the following pairs of linear equations have no solution? For the no solution, we have condition a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. That one is not equals to c1 upon c2. Okay, so we have given two equations. Let's see. These are equations. First one is 3x plus y is equals to 1. This one is equation number first, and second one is 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equals to 2k plus 1. This one is equation number second. So let's see the solution. Now again we have these two equations in this numerical. Now we will find the ratios of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. As you can see, the ratio of a1 upon a2 is this one, 3 upon 2k minus 1, and ratio of b1 upon b2 is 1 upon k minus 1, and ratio of c1 upon c2 is 1 upon 2k plus 1. For no solution, we have condition. We already discussed that condition. That one was a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, and that one is not equals to c1 upon c2. So using this condition, we'll find the value of k. Okay, so now we are equating these equations. Now using this equation, we are going to equate all these values. Now using this equation, using this condition, we'll find the value of k. Okay, so equating all these ratios, we got this relation. So first two values, this and this. Okay, so we are going to solve using these values. Let's see. First two ratios, this one. So after cross multiplication, we will get the simplified equation like this: 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. Again we will simplify this one, then we'll get k is equals to minus 1 plus 3, that one is equals to 2. So value of k is equals to 2 for the given equation. For that, these equations don't have any solution. Okay.